Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Uba Ronnie Willindo ubadai unong bat Shabuk Kaliang Persha. New Opposition Chief Whip ubadai ru UMLA ke Milliam Constituency nagaseng Congress. Ulaong baga jengmi ino jong u nagaseng Congress bat penyeso no asyake NPP kadai karai jong u shimet bat daga Jingkyrshan lang Jingkyrshan jong u. Habakren syakila pathai kubor uba Ronnie ulaong ba ukwa ban penne ke Jingkyrshan u Paidbah bat banlong ke Jimentoy nak mentaka roy kapar ha Constituency bat kejela berok kawai. Kumjuru ulaong bagi beliau mentah ke senguthu badan kam ke sorkar ke baskham nak benta ke roy kapar ha kejela bat ha Constituency kumta kila ai ke Jingkyrshan yu banya sono bar ke NPP nak benta ke bit ke biang jong ke Constituency. Ulaong bah ke jingim ke don ke por bahap ban shim ya ke rai ke bae bat ke don ke por bahap ban shim ya ke rai ke basuk. Henry ulaong bagani ke rai jong u ke dei nak benta ke Jimentoy yu Paidbah bat ulaong ru bakawai ke seng san perthai ke don ke thong ban syakri yu Paidbah kumta ula shim ke ni ke rai nak benta ban syakri yu Paidbah. Shu ulaong bagadon ke por baga seng san perthai kan kieu bat kadon ke por bakan hiar. Kumta ulaong bakum ke seng san perthai dei ban bu shwai ki Paidbah hakmat bat lada ke parti kam ai ke jing syakri yu Paidbah kam don jingmut ya kata ke parti. Kumta ula benrap bade halor kata ke nongrim ba ushim ya ke rai ringkat ki Jingkyrshan jong u ban rung no asyake NPP. Ule thuru bakidai ki Jingkyrshan jong uhi ki bakwa yu bandrung no asyake NPP na kata kadaw mendak sngi ki lawan ban sendan lang yu. Uba Ronnie ulaong ru badak jing sensyar ke sorkar MDA2 mendak jela ke lawan ha roy kapar ha liang ki surok ha liang ki jaga sumar bat kiwe.
Sawai kalong ba ki brio menta ki sungthu bangi don kam ke sorkar ke baskham ni don kam bangi Allah ten pareng stability namata overall development of the state pat jongka constituency jongka mo te kade kata ka ba penbori ki Paidbah ba ki ong yang join no sa kane parti menginyo sarkar ka baskham bat parai ka ba
te kadulu ba kajing
dawa jonga kalong bet ba ka constituency kan yo development ka roi ka par ka puli puthi kumba mombi kalampi sengken ka kumta tipopon ki jingdawa kumpet menta kum ka police station ngim don kum ka veterinary hospital ngim don ti kita ki bangin sekren pat hadian ndai ngalarung klam don kanu penoka don ba di benlek menta tu kam kanu ka rai ka bangi shim ngide ban shim sha ya ka jingmenjur jongki Paidbah kadai kata ba pindapat menta ngapre ki katne ki nong yalam jonga kiwan bat kini de tang sau sanmur na kawai ka shinong de da phi ong ban wan lam lut bar khit de ki hajar ki hawajar ki wan tri de hadien ba nila ya kren bat ki makiru la karpat ya ba menta bit ka biang jong constituency Rung no sya ka se de tang kata
yu ikumu ka performance jong kani MBA tu menta arsenal state apa yung ijong tu
ki dangapet na i kamba ka roy ka par ka wan hakne ka MBA2 no suai nuksa kumangi sa tay layo smo kren po assembly ya ka 4 lane ya ka western bypass angka ka kani ka PHC po umtlong mo itna angka ta ki roy ki par ki wan ki tengi don hongni ban sakri Paidbah Paidbah ka jingdon kam jong Paidbah kat bala mangila ban pagya
atau kani ka simjam jong thi kanum ka apa epi wada ki ya kon biang ai election utar ar ko plan man ba NPP ka don mali bare mo bade nong trei basir raham ha jong parti ba hamlet doling itu kanum ka apa election ha ar ko plan ini ha
mangi ngamla ban ong ba nangan le kunta nganum le kunta mangi ngi song Paidbah ngi song ka parti telada ka parti ka snu ibit manaya kapiang nada ka snu ibit panai ya paham na yun kabiang ndai kalong ba mentang yun tu ba arsenal siteng ban pet ba ngin penbiang ka jingdawa ka jingdawa kam ki Paidbah
ilalong wi na dinong yalam
ka political party ka don ka por ba ka kiyo ka don ka por ba ka hiya lesi menta ka por ba congress party ka dang hiya ndai kum ka political party ka mod ka ni habbo shwa ya ki Paidbah kama ngai kamot hoi lada ka parti kam don ban ai ka jing sakri Paidbah kam don jumot masuk alor itai nomren asim kene karai rengkat ini mungkin Jingkyrshan jong akiwan ni baru khoi tak jing kemen Mati maki kepala ong yang ba ngilai ngilamut panong ya kirung kam mensua. Tamaki ong limnut. Matapat. lay la da dai bakim kershan nga kim ya hap bakani ka jing ya sno janga ba National People's Party ni NPP kinuman atrai kilara man khala mayong nga kani Hamlet was an excellent. So in fact both of us taking everything to consideration, like I said, political development, everything. So we have come together to work for the interests of the constituency, the state in general, and the constituency.
So with your joining, NPP has become
For the stability and development of the state, because sometimes when there's no stability, it affects the development, the governance and everything. I believe with the stability now, then there is augments well for the development of the state and especially my constituency.
So plain and
which I loved
simple.
it. Yeah.
Sorry to cut you. Plain and simple terms.
You're asking me to repeat the same answer
No,
again
of
and
course.
again. Look at all these leaders. Okay, it wasn't my wish. Okay, in fact, I've been requested by the NPP not only now, since 2018, 23, and then after the 23 election also, I was requested to join. But then, since I was elected on the Congress ticket, I stuck to my, party. But then the people realizing that now it's been more than, half the term almost completed. So realizing that, we need development, we need stability. So it's the people. I think you can say hundreds of them. Yeah. Okay.
What next now?
Next now is to ensure that we get the development for the constituency and ensure stability for the state. Okay, now we've got about 2.5 years to work for the constituency, to work for the state. Okay. So I think that will be our priority. Regarding the ticket, you will see when we will cross the bridge when the time comes.
Can we say that this joining of you to the NPP is an attempt to turn the popularity of the BBP in your constituency?
I think you're jumping the gun. See, I think you're jumping the gun because, like I said, it's the people's wishes, and none of them are going to contest elections. But realizing that we need development for the state, for the constituency, for the state, there is no such attempt because in a democracy, each party, they can participate in elections. So the question of, because of one party we are taking this decision, I think that doesn't exist.
Have you consulted or
More or less, I've hinted at it.
did they ask you to not to take such decision?
They did. But then, I'm here to serve the people. So that's the decision I've taken. Serve the people and the state.
You have been associated for the Congress for a very long time. How do you see this ending your long association with the party?
You see, in life, there are times when you have to take tough decisions, you have to take hard decisions. So this is maybe one of the, the time that we have to take a decision for the interest of the people. Okay.
So you were the last
So
man.
because each political party is there to serve the people. If the party is not in a position to serve the people, I don't think that So we have taken this decision with the interest of the people, nothing else.
So now
So like I said, I was earlier requested by the NPP to join them before the election, after the election, after two elections, 18 and 23. Of course, 18 I lost, but 23 I returned back. There was a request from the party to join them, but I didn't do it because then the people started requesting me, and then you can see that I joined without the people's concurrence. I don't think it would have happened.